Hi everyone, welcome to the video. This video we're going to see how you can edit data in Excel. Okay, so uh, I've just written some few tasks related to editing and we will see this one by one. Okay, and I've also mentioned the keyboard shortcuts for it. No, this will be useful for you. Uh, the first one is find and replace option. Okay, and this option is used to find something in your Excel sheet, and if you want you can replace it with what you with whatever you want. Okay, so I'll just explain you with an example. Okay, so the first of all I'll tell you how to access this. You can access it by two ways. The one is by clicking this icon on the ribbon find and select. When you click the down arrow mark, you'll get these options. You can click this replace button and this find and replace window will open. Okay, and there is also a keyboard shortcut to get this window which I mentioned here, that is Control plus F. If you press Control plus F from your keyboard, this window pops up. Okay, and if you want to only find something, you can use this first tab, that is find. If you want to find and replace it with something else, then you can use the second tab. Okay, so for now I'll use the second tab. Okay, in the second tab replace, the first box you need to mention what you want to find in the Excel sheet. I'll just write June, and I'll just in the second box I'll just replace it with what I want to replace it with. I'll just write it as short form JUN, June. Okay, and if you want to do that, all I need to do is click replace all. Excel has given a confirmation, all done. We have made a one replacement. Okay, now if I close this, as you can see, this JUNE has become JUN short. Okay, so this is a very useful option. Okay, when you have a lot of data and if you want to find something and replace it at a stretch, then you can use this. This is a very helpful tool. And the second one is how you can edit an existing data. Okay, for example, if I want to edit this, if I want to change this to JUNE, if you want to add E, all I need to do is first select the cell and I need to double click it. As soon as I double click it, you'll see the cursor blinking. Okay, that means you can ready to edit the data. All I need to type is, I'll type E and I'll press enter. E, the data has been edited. Okay, or you can also use a keyboard shortcut to get the cursor, that is F2. If you click F2 from your keyboard, you'll see the cursor. Okay, then you can start editing. And the third one is how you can overwrite data. Overwrite data, it's very easy. All you need to do is select the cell and straight away start typing. Just type JUN and press enter. That's it. It's easy. Okay, so Excel will directly overwrite the data. If you want to edit, then you need to double click it, or you can use the keyboard shortcut F2 to edit data. Okay, and the fourth one is how you can edit formula. You can edit formula the same way how you edit an existing data. Okay, I'll just show you. First I'll write a formula. As you can see, this is a sum of all the amount from Jan to July, and as you can see in the formula bar, this is displayed. You can edit the formula by selecting the formula bar, then you can start editing. I'll just add 100 to it and I'll show you. Press enter. See, it's done. The formula has been edited. And also you can use the same F2 shortcut key from your keyboard to edit it. I'll cancel this 100. As you can see, I've cancelled it. Okay, or else you can directly do the old-fashioned way, that is double click the cell, then you'll see the cursor. You can use the arrow marks to move the cursor, and whatever editing you want to do, you can do it. Okay, So this way you can edit formulas. Okay, and the last fifth and sixth option is undo and redo. This is a very useful option because when you keep working in Excel, sometimes you make mistakes, so that you can easily undo it, or you can go forward by redoing it again. It's better to use this shortcut, keyboard shortcut. For undo it is Control Z, and for redo it is Control Y. I'll just show you how it's done. For example, I'll just add 100 in this formula. This 395 has become 495. What if I wanna undo? All I need to do is press Ctrl plus Z. It changed. As you can see in the formula bar, that 100 is gone. I've went back one step. Okay, that is undo. If I've decided no, I'll add that 100, I don't have to go and type again plus 100. All I can do is press Ctrl and Y to redo it. As you can see, it's done. 395 has changed to 495. Okay, so these two shortcuts will be very useful when you're working in Excel to undo and redo. And that's about it, this video. Hope you like the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and please do share it with your friends. And I'll see you all in the next video with another content. Thanks a lot.